Hey guys, this is gonna be a new bike check as of my Haro 2013 BMX bike. We're gonna start from the top to the bottom. Okay, so let's do this. This is Haro grips. And if you guys are wondering if this bike is stocked or customized, this is non-customized. I just got it today. So these are my Haro. So yeah, this is my black Haro grips, bar ends. Then the same thing on the other one. I have a silver stem, pretty nice. I haven't rode it yet. I've only rode it like for just a couple seconds. I very much like the what's it called? No, what is its name? The handlebars. It's very nice, like very light and everything. I very much like the what's it called? The brake lever. Feels so good. And yeah, that's just Haro bars, Haro stem. You can see, if you can see right here, you can see the Haro logo right there. Okay, moving down to the fork. I'll do the what's it called? The frame after. So this is whatever it's called. It's called the Haro Bikes 200.0 most likely. I think I can increase the brightness on this, but it's the best I could go. These are 2000, and this is a 2013 model. This is the 2013 tire. As always, the front tire is bigger than the back tire. So I don't notice with all bikes. This is Haro I forgot what these are called. These are cranks, but I forgot like what size they are. 3 like, I can't remember. I don't really like these pedals because of the color and everything. I'll show you guys the hub. How loud the hub is. The brake line moving down to the chain. I don't know what the chain is, but all I know is it's a chain. This is my sprocket. This is my brake. This is my other tire, the smaller one. Very, very small. Now this is a Haro seat. And the seat post is Haro, and the seat clamp is Haro. As you can see the... Wait. It's so black. See the Haro bikes logo. You can see the logo, and you can see the Haro, and then you can see the bikes in very small printing. And I'll make you guys hear the hub. If you want to see, okay, this is my whole bike, pretty much. It's my whole bike. I'm gonna try to show you guys put a light here. How loud it is. Sorry about that. That's how loud it is.